Morning. Okay, so I've got my coffee. I saw this thing on TikTok where you make like an ice ball and you're supposed to like rub it on your face to stop inflammation and stuff. And I'm gonna make mine with cucumber. She made hers with cucumber and aloe. I'm gonna make mine with cucumber and tea tree oil, and I might add a little aloe in there just for good measure. So we're gonna try it and see how it works. Alright, so I got my cucumbers here. I have cut them up just to make it a little easier. I got my tea tree oil, my magic bullet blender I'm going to use, and then just some filtered water. I will say though, the original poster had commented about how like the skin in her ice ball, like I guess was making a mess and it gets all over your face, and then other people were commenting saying like that's the best part for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it on there, and we're gonna put it all together in this, blend it up, and see where it goes. I did end up cutting it a little more just to make sure it got ground up good. I added some water and my oil in there. I'm not sure if this is going to be too much water or not enough, so we're going to blend it up and see what happens. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I did add a little more cucumber in there just to make sure I got a good quality in there. So I'm going to pour it in my ice ball maker and put it in the freezer, and we'll see how it freezes up. Okay, these are the ones I got from Amazon. They're like little silicone balls. Put them together, there's a hole on the top, and it comes with this little funnel. So I'm going to put it together and then put my funnel in there and fill it up and then put it in my freezer. Okay, so this is actually quite the pain to make, but we're gonna put it in the freezer and hopefully it freezes well. Okay, good morning. I got my ice ball here. You just pop off the top, and this is what it's gonna look like. I'm just going to rub it all over my face and then rinse it. Okay, I will say that it melted rather quickly on my face and it was like dripping off. So I recommend being like in a robe or a towel or not having any clothes on that you don't want to get that stuff all over. But with the tea tree, it feels so refreshing. Yeah, it feels great. I have always struggled with acne. I was on Accutane until November of last year. So I haven't had any acne since, but I'm just working on getting my scars and just texture and everything like that under control. So far, I really like this, and I'm going to keep trying it and see if it does anything for my skin. If anything, it feels great, and it's a good like pick me up when you wake up.